First up, let's dive into the realm of science, specifically the physics, chemistry, mathematics, or PCM stream. 5 of the top career options after 12th for PCM students include engineering, architecture, aeronautics or aerospace engineering, computer science and information technology, and actuarial science. Each of these fields promises a dynamic and lucrative career path, provided you have a knack for problem-solving, design, technology, or numbers. Next, we turn to the science stream again, but this time with a focus on physics, chemistry, and biology, or the PCB stream. For PCB students, the medical field is a natural progression. Career options include becoming a medical doctor, dentist, pharmacist, veterinarian, or nurse. These careers are perfect for those with a passion for healthcare and helping others. Now let's move on to humanities. If you've always been intrigued by society, culture, or communication, careers in mass communication and journalism, law, design, liberal arts, or foreign languages could be your calling. These paths can lead to a wide array of roles, from journalists and lawyers to designers and linguists. Next, we have commerce. If numbers and business appeal to you, then careers as a chartered accountant, investment banker, chartered financial analyst, cost accountant, or company secretary could be your ticket to success. These roles offer the chance to work in fast-paced corporate environments with immense growth opportunities. Last, but certainly not least, we have arts. For those with a creative flair, careers in fine arts, performing arts, graphic design, fashion design, or animation could be your perfect fit. These careers offer a platform for self-expression and creativity, along with the chance to truly impact culture and society. Remember, the best career option is the one that aligns with your interests, skills, and future goals. It's essential to do your research, seek guidance, and make an informed decision. As we wrap up, it's important to note that these are just a handful of the countless career options available after 12th. The world is your oyster, and with the right guidance and determination, you can turn any career path into a rewarding journey. So whether you're a budding engineer, a future doctor, a potential journalist, an aspiring accountant, or a promising artist, know that the path to success begins with a single step. Choose wisely and embark on a career that not only fulfills your professional aspirations but also brings you personal satisfaction. That's all for today. Remember, the choice is yours. Make it count.